house of prime rib right there. Woo! Is it busy all the time here?
Every day,
But they're open every day?
except Christmas Day.
Reservation is 90 days ahead or 6 months. Can you believe it? When I called this establishment, they said it's fully booked until 2025. But we can walk in. You just have to be patient. What's with the fuzz? Is it historical? Is it nostalgical? How are the prime ribs? How's the service? We're here to find out if HOPR, House of Prime Ribs, is worth it. And off we go. Where are you? Oh, hi. Oh, wow. It's nice.
Do you have a reservation today?
No.
Okay. Currently, we are quoting about a 2-hour wait time for a table of 2.
Not bad because we were there at 4:30, so we have to come back at 6:30. Nearby, there are some coffee shops and tea shops you can go to.
We came back less than 2 hours than we were told, and our seat is already ready. I love the ambience here. It is traditional English style. I wonder where she will seat us. So exciting. Ooh, this room is lovely with the chandelier. Oh wow, we get the corner library section.
This is a nice table. Thank you so much. Wow, this is nice. This is the setup. And now this is the menu. What will we have? I love their menu because it's only one page. So it's very simple.
Your server will be right with you shortly, okay? I'm just helping him out.
I'm
Martina's
so sorry
gonna
about
take
this
care of
guy.
you, okay?
Is he bothering you?
Go ahead.
Yes.
Yeah? Please.
I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
I usually recommend a tequila shot and then you just drink some wine. I'm just kidding, but if you like cocktails, the lemon drop is good. Cosmo's good as well.
I'll probably do a martini.
Yeah, martini, beautiful. Do you like vodka or gin?
Gin.
Do you like olives or do you want a lemon twist?
Olive. Women, they may come and they may go. I want to ask, how long before you got your reservations?
We don't have reservations.
Oh, you're on the wait list?
For the bar.
How long?
How long have we been waiting?
Yeah.
25, 30 minutes.
Okay, not bad. And then, did they give what time you're gonna get seated?
The bar, 30 minutes to an hour.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
These are the cuts to choose from, and every cut will have its salad and sides.
Ooh, it's very chilly.
We have hard-boiled eggs, chopped up pimento and beets. It's a little bit of salt and pepper, okay for you.
Our server Matt put on a show here. It was a delight to see.
It takes 10 days to make the dressing. It takes 10 days to ferment.
Wow.
We're very famous for the salad.
Okay.
Half the people that come in here, they come for the salad. It's funny.
Awesome. So our salad is here, our bread is here, and also the martini. We will start with the bread. If it's good, it's supposed to be homemade, so we'll see. It went to my eye. Oh, it's hard. I'll just use my hand. There's no bread knife. I mean butter knife, so I'll just use this. Okay. Oh yeah, that's a butter knife. That's this one. Oh my god. The bread is perfect. I think it's sour though. I don't want to fill myself up with this bread, so we're moving on to the salad. Good classic salad.
My bestie finished everything up to the last bite.
It's time to take the martini. Classic martini. It's strong. The olives. They did give a hefty serving, so we got a drink.
We have 3 different kinds. We have our cream base, that's mild, medium level, mayonnaise. That's my favorite. And that's straight up horseradish, very spicy. Be careful.
Thank you for the heads up.
Oh yeah.
Meanwhile, I'm still drinking the martini. I don't know why it's getting stronger every time. It's time to try the best prime rib in America. My bestie chose the city cut, which is the smallest cut, 8 to 10 ounce. Then I tried the King Henry VIII cut, which goes from 14 to 16 ounce.
Oh my god, that's a big slice.
These corned beef ribs are sourced by the chef from the top 2% of all beef in the market. Then they age this meat for 21 days.
Then it gets roasted in rock salt to maintain its natural juices.
This restaurant sells 1,200 orders of dry aged ribs every day.
There's a mashed potato right here. It's with the bones. And yours is the thin cut. That looks yummy.
Just kind of dip a little on the side if you need your meat. Dip it into the horseradish, or you can, spread it like butter. Yeah, so basically, dip it in there. Eat it together with the fried bread.
Okay. I need the big fork and then our steak knife. And let's have some slice. I'm not sure if this is medium, but before we say anything, let's try it first.
How's everything tasting first?
Matt, is this medium?
I'm sorry?
Is this medium?
Yeah. Is that a little too rare for you?
A little bit, but I want to try it first.
Yeah, let me know. If it's too rare, we'll fix it for you.
You're right. It's actually really, really good. Even if it's a little bit reddish, I really, really like it. Fatty part, which is my favorite. Mild horseradish. How do you like your steak? You like it medium, rare, or well done? Takes out the flavor of the meat, but it's still really good. The medium one. It's not much difference to me, the mild and the medium. Yeah. It's so delicious. Thank you, chef. Forgot about the napkin. Woo! That went to my nose. Let's try the sides. Baked potato sides, really delicious. Second elevated Wendy's baked potato. Don't hate me, please. Mashed potato is delicious. Their mashed potato is buttery, so if you like buttery, mashed potato is the thing to do. Baked potato if you like it plain. I do like it plain, so I'm sticking with my baked potato. Cream of spinach. It's creamy, yes, and it's also too salty for me. But let's try the corn. It's sweet and creamy. Corn and baked potato is like double the carbs, so maybe not. And you also have your bread.
Let's ask her if it's a yay or a nay.
Now we are trying the bread. They said to dip the bread. It's burnt bread. That's all it is. Educate me if there's something special here. Cider here. I know if you're finished, your King Henry, they are giving you a second round. Let's see if I can finish it. It's a big slice. My strategy here is not to eat the sides and just work on my steak so I can finish the King Henry. I am slowing down. I am full.
It's just really thick. Dance to move the meat around.
Nobody got King Henry right there. They're still working on the salad. How about there? Nobody got King Henry. It's just me. It's huge. I'm not giving up. Medium side is on the other side. As you can see, it's kind of brownish here. Actually, there's really nothing else to entertain me with but the steak and this martini. I'm actually easy to entertain, so no problem. I just realized I didn't ask for my ID. What does that say? Okay, I'm almost done here. You can see there's still some meat. And the best part is near the bones, right? My second slice.
Second slice? You want to go there one?
Yeah. Thank you for my bone. This is my second slice. This is, ooh, hot plate. A new hot plate. And I believe I am given a thin cut. It's so small though, but it's nice for them to give me a second cut.
That's dessert. I like the creme brulee or the tiramisu.
Ooh, that's good.
But the most popular is probably the fantasy cake. It's a chocolate cheesecake though.
Ooh, the triple layer.
Yeah, the triple layer.
Hey, we have to order dessert for our birthday cake.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, if you want. If not, I can bring you out something. It's a little like dessert if you want, but it'd be too full. I can bring you out something.
Oh, do you want that or do you want a special dessert?
This offer is good.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, man. Wow. You will sing?
No, I'm good.
I will sing for you. Happy birthday to you. This is a mango sorbet.
It's actually good.
That's refreshing. I actually like the mint leaves.
Enjoy.
My Diet Coke, thank you. And then the total is. Oh. 163.22. So what do I think about House of Prime Rib? Is it worth it there? Is it really good? Is reservation 90 days before, 6 months before worth it? It was truly an SF experience and I would recommend it to you. Something you can spend on once in a while for a special celebration like your birthday. I see that there's a lot of people there celebrating their birthdays or they're just hanging out. If you like this video and you like dining in very special places, watch this video. It's Mon Ami Gabi and it's the best brunch in Las Vegas. See you next time and off I go.